quatix 6 multisport GPS watch has specialized marine features for comprehensive boat connectivity. In this video, we'll help you connect your watch to a compatible chart plotter to make the most of your time on the water. First, make sure your watch is within a 3-meter range of your chart plotter. From the watch screen, select Start. Click through to Boat Data, and then press Start again. If you have already connected your quatix to a chart plotter, but want to connect to a different one, hold up and select Pair New. The rest of the steps will be the same whether this is the first chart plotter you've paired or a new one. On the chart plotter, select Communications, then Wireless Device. Next, Connect IQ Apps, Boat Data, Enable New Connection. Your chart plotter will begin searching for and connecting to your quatix 6 device. After the devices are paired, they will connect automatically when they're both turned on and within range. Now that your watch recognizes your chart plotter, you can stream data including speed, depth, temperature, and wind right to your watch. You can also control your boat from your wrist with Autopilot. To set that up, follow the same steps as you would for connecting a chart plotter, but select Autopilot instead of Boat Data. After you pair, you'll have access to Autopilot capabilities. To learn more about quatix 6, go to garmin.com.